Why do tech enthusiasts rave about the Samsung Galaxy S series? Let's dive into the latest buzz around the Galaxy S25. Mark your calendars. January 22nd, 2025 is the big day. Samsung Galaxy Unpacked event in San Jose, California. The Galaxy S25 series is dropping, and it's packed with innovations. Starting January 24th, you can pre-order your dream device, with early access reservations kicking off February 4th. Officially launching in Korea on February 7th, the S25 series is ready to wow the world. This lineup includes the S25, S25 Plus, S25 Ultra, and the super sleek S25 Slim. Expect brighter displays, the powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, and incredible battery life improvements. The S25 Ultra is a game-changer. 200MP main camera, 50MP telephoto, and ultra-wide lenses, plus a stunning 6.9-inch display. But wait, there's more. The S25 Slim is the thinnest Galaxy yet, for those who crave style and portability. Facing off against the iPhone 17 and Google Pixel 9, Samsung's got its work cut out, especially with rumored price hikes. But the S25 Slim might just tip the scales. Stay tuned for more updates and be ready to pre-order from January 24th to February 3rd. Don't miss out on the latest in smartphone innovation. Catch you at the Galaxy Unpacked event.